What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a picture frame out of cardboard. So let's get right into it. So the materials you're going to need for this project is a pen, scissors, a paper, and a laminating sheet, and of course cardboard. So let's get straight into it. So for this project, you can use any cardboard box. Like I'm using a Welch's box. It doesn't really matter which box you're using. So let's just get started. First, what you're gonna do is open the box up. Our box just opened up. We are gonna put the printer paper in the middle. Now that the paper is in the middle, we are going to take our pen and twist around the paper. Okay guys, so when you remove the paper, you should have an outline of the paper on the cardboard. So now we can cut it out. Now that we have cut the outline, now we can put the paper on here. Now we can start the frame with the first layer. The first step to making the first layer of the frame is to plug the hot glue gun in. For a vertical frame, you are going to want to measure and make sure it is 8.5 inches long and 1 inch wide. Now that we have the two vertical frames, let's do the horizontal. The horizontal has to be 11.5 inches long and 1 inch wide. Now we can cut off the ends where we marked. Now that we have cut off the two ends, we can place the horizontal line and hot glue it on. Okay guys, now it's time to add in the picture. But first, before you put anything in here, you're gonna want to make sure you measure it so it's the right size. Okay, so now you're gonna want to place your laminating sheet on. You're gonna want to make sure it's aligned with the edge of the picture frame. So it should look like this at the top. Now we're gonna put hot glue on these frames so we can hot glue the laminating sheet down. Now we're going to make our final frame around the picture. Okay guys, now this is the final reveal of the project. This is what your picture frame should look like. So with that being said, that's it. That's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like.